Hello, you beautiful people. So, today, we're gonna try to build a bed in this thing. I've been sleeping in a cot for years now. And I'm tired of it. I want something flatter, something that I can pull out. So, I've never built, well, okay, I have built things. I've built, finished basements and whatnot, but I've never built something from, something so intricate like this. So my plan is I want to use up this space right here and have a slotted interlocking bed, something that kind of goes like this and can fold and compact down, and then I can yank it out and it'll make a bigger bed for me and my dog and whoever. And at night I can during the day, I can push it back in and then it'll make a couch. So that's the plan right now. It's in here, just needs to be out here. And the first, step to learning anything is struggling. So come struggle bus with me. Ugh, needs vacuuming. But this is the space I have working with. Hey, it's day 2 of building the slide-out bed with no idea how to do so. So yesterday I went to Home Depot and just kind of imagined what I could do and the tools that I had to use. And today I went and bought some. I'm not good at this planning thing. I think I have just enough wood, but I might have to go and get 1 or 2 more boards, which I kind of plan to get just enough and not more, because in this, wood's really expensive right now. I don't know if I was shocked how expensive wood is right now. Oof. That's what I got working with. We're gonna try this out. And if it fails, you know what? Failure is the first step to learning. So it's going to be an expensive failure. But it's not. It's going to turn out good. I promise. Promise future me. It's looking pretty good. Okay, so next part is putting it all together. Hopefully I don't have to pre-drill holes. We'll see. We've gotten this far, and I figured out that the bed itself is going to be 3 feet long, and every other slot needs to be a different length. So this one is 19 inches, and these ones are 21 inches. That way these ones catch under here, and I'm going to place this under here like this. That way this board can be the one that pulls out, and it'll create the full bed. But slotted in, it'll be like a couch area. So yeah. You know what? I already fucked that up. It's... Alright, what's the... Alright. So, every other board is supposed to slide. So this one can't be connected to this. It has to be connected down here. This one needs to be connected. Learning curves. Learning curves. Jesus. You know what? The first step to being good at something is struggling. Boy, am I good at that. Alright, y'all. It's in. and I love it. It's kind of rudimentary, strapped to the wall right now, just so it doesn't move around. But today we're gonna work on getting a foam mattress for it. I disdain mattresses that are cut in half and like, because you can always feel the gap. The gap's like, there's no getting rid of it. So I'm gonna try to get like one big piece and try to work out like a weird ratchet system probably. I'm thinking just like a ratchet strap that I can like bungee here and then make it into a couch so it folds, and then I can just like undo the bungee system and it'll fold out. That's the plan. I was in there less than 10 minutes and I already have a bed. Alright, y'all, instead of legs, I think I'm gonna go with like a cabinet on the opposite side of the van. That way I can pull the slide out and just like set it on top of the cabinet and lock it in place somehow, and we don't even have to deal with legs. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, the battery on the camera died, but this is what I got going on. It's rough, but it's doing things. I'm going to add this other piece here to the opposite corner, and then we're going to attach it to the tabletop. So I think how I'm going to do it is I'm just going to screw this top with overhang. That way this has some place to sit, which isn't ideal, but I'm not remaking this cabinet.